In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment form page in Systeme.io. First and foremost, make sure you have a Systeme.io account and an active sales funnel ready to go. This ensures that when we dive into the process, everything is set up correctly, and you're able to follow along without any hiccups. Setting the stage is key here, so take a moment to verify your account and funnel status before proceeding. Once you're ready, let's jump into opening the sales funnel where you want to add your payment page. If you look to the left-hand side of your funnel menu, you'll notice a plus symbol labeled Create Step. Clicking this button opens up a variety of options, out of which you'll want to pick Order Form. Selecting Order Form is crucial as it's tailored specifically for payment processing, allowing for smooth transitions and efficient management of customer payments. Now that you've created a step, it's time to focus on selecting a template for your payment page. Systeme.io provides a wide array of templates designed to meet various business needs. Browse through these templates and select the one that resonates best with your brand and objectives. Once you've made your choice, you will see your order form interface blossom, complete with access to settings, automation rules, and an editor for customization. These tools are your arsenal for creating a payment process that aligns perfectly with your vision and customer expectations. With the template in place, we move on to editing the page. Click on Edit Page to dive into the setup of your payment page. In this space, you can configure your payment options and select the offer type that suits your business model. Depending on your offerings, you'll have two primary paths to choose from, either a physical product or a digital product. If your business revolves around digital products, you'll need to add a specific resource to link with the purchase. The options available to you include adding a course, where the customer immediately gains access once payment is confirmed, adding a course bundle for full membership after purchase, applying a specific tag to the customer post-payment to categorize them, or granting access to a community, allowing the customer to join an exclusive group upon payment confirmation. On the flip side, if you're selling a physical product, simply select the item you wish to offer from your catalog available within Systeme.io. Each choice allows you to tailor the payment page to mirror your business offerings seamlessly. Remember, take a moment to explore all the settings and features Systeme.io offers to fully customize your payment page according to your precise needs. And there you have it. You've just set up a fully functional payment form page in Systeme.io, paving the way to a streamlined checkout process and providing a seamless, enjoyable experience for your customers.